So in this tutorial we will take a look at how you can add pages, delete pages, move pages, and adjust a single page in Adobe InDesign. So there are a couple of options. I have 4 pages here, and say I want to add a page, I can just simply click this plus icon. As you can see, it now adds page number 5. Same way, if you want to delete a page, you select the page you want to delete and you click the delete pages icon here, and now the page has been deleted. You can also go to properties, and if properties isn't visible, you can go to window and choose properties here. And in properties we have several options. We have the option here to see how many pages we have. So at the moment we have 4. If we make this, let's say 8, we press 8 and then enter. As you can see now, if we go to pages, we have 8 pages. These pages can also be moved around just by clicking the page you want to move and then dragging it where you want to have it. Because there's nothing on my pages, it's difficult to see, but the page has been moved. Let's see if we drag this one. I'm going to put something on my page so it's easier to see. Let's make a rectangle to put in a image, to put in a spaghetti. So now I have a spaghetti here, you see it on this page, and if I now select this page and I drag it below, as you can see now page 8 has that image I had on page 4 to begin with. So that's how you can drag around pages if you want them to be on another position. So we covered how to add pages, which you can do by clicking the plus icon here, remove pages by clicking the remove pages icon there. You can also add pages in the properties window, and similarly, if you don't have an exact page you want to delete, you can just say I want 6 pages in total, and it will then give you a notification if there are items on that page. In this case it's my image. I don't mind, I want it gone. So now I have 6 pages. So that's for adding, removing and moving pages. And now, let's say I want to edit a single page. We can then go in the properties window and then select our page number we want to edit. Let's say I want to edit page 4. Now you can see here with the magenta bounding box that my page 4 has been selected. You can also go in the bottom here and select the page you want to edit here. And then here we can click the edit page option. And now we're editing this single page. We're simply editing page number 4. And for page number 4, let's say I want to have 3 columns. So I press 3 columns, press OK. And as you can see now, it edited page number 4, and all the other pages have stayed the same. And if you now click back, you go back to your properties of all the pages, and you can play around again here, select another page, edit a single page by selecting a page, click on edit page, and then you can edit the things you want to edit. So, adding, deleting, moving, and adjusting single pages in Adobe InDesign. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video. Be sure to press the like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos going live every Wednesday and Thursday. For now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.